Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and well, it's a new month that we're starting already, which is February of 2021. And today is the first day, so we sometimes like to take a look at what's happening in the Windows market share in the different versions of Windows. So, of course, around the end of the month, we look at the different Windows 10 versions market share. But what about all the versions of Windows? What's their market share as of the end of for January? Well, basically, the numbers that we have is Windows 10 is at 77.5% of Windows around the world for Windows machines, which is pretty good number. It's really a dominating operating system now. That number at 77.54 is up from 75.68 in December of 2020. So it's up almost 2%, which is a pretty nice increase. Then we have Windows 7, the second most popular at 16.78, and that was 18% in December. So you know what? We're more than 1% lower. Decline of Windows 7. Now that is more than a year out of support, and most of those are probably still in the enterprise versions that have long-term support, but Windows 7 is going away. Windows 8.1 and Windows 8 together, I like to put the numbers together at 4.7%. Windows XP still at 0.67, a very, very small margin of probably specialized computers that need XP for, that device that doesn't work after that or whatever, or special software. And Windows Vista at 0.25%. So Windows 10 continues its rise. Windows 7 continues its decline. And that's the numbers for January of 2021. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.